they show me is double S ditch and we murking this shit. We working for certain, she jerking the dick. Spread the booty, yo, and put the fingers in the clip. Real shit, take it out, she gon' lick that shit. Then spit on the dick, exit. Then she clean that shit with her own damn lips. Now picture that shit. Damn, I am the man. Blueprint shit, yeah, I got the plan. Local rap can't take over the land, so I figured it's time to get bigger with the cheese. I'm a fiend, know what I mean? I'm on the scene with the team. Lil Pooh, what it do? Like a fat hoe, I don't fuck with you. Nah, you my dog, then I take out the you. Yeah, yo, my homies will always come through. Better duck when they buck, press your luck. Ain't nobody give a fuck. In my city, every man for themselves, so I stay to myself for the wealth. Low key, I'm on stealth mode, feeling like silhouettes in a dark hole. You can see, but